Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to reactivate your Snapchat account without email. So let's start. First open the Snapchat app. Now tap on Login. To reactivate without email you have to remember your username. Now type in your password. Then tap Login. Then it will ask you that do you want to reactivate. Now tap Yes. Here it is saying that it will take a few moments to reactivate your account, and the Snapchat team will send you an email to your verified email address when your account is ready to use. Now tap OK. And that's how you can reactivate your Snapchat account without email. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next tutorial.